Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see what you can do if you're getting the invalid visit detected error on Linkvertise. This error usually doesn't show up, but this usually means that something is interfering with your network, due to which the invalid visit detected error is showing up. So as you can see here, this is the error that you can see. Now for this you need to deactivate any VPNs or proxies that you have. Now there might be something that's interfering with your connection and you're going to have to deactivate that. So if you've got any VPN or proxy on, you'll have to deactivate that. Open up any VPNs you have, turn them off. If you've got any proxy on, turn them off as well. And once you turn them off, try to restart this, refresh the website, see if it works then. If it still doesn't work, you're going to deactivate your ad blocker and scripts or anything else that might interfering with your network connection. You can try to restart your network as well. You can try to restart your device. Apart from that, you can deactivate any ad blockers that you might have installed yourself or any extensions or anything like that, which basically may be interfering with your network, since that's the main problem due to which the invalid visit detector error shows up. And if none of these work, then what you can do is you can refresh it at a later time. You can wait for a bit, or you can contact their help support. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.